Now, after this Power Pack performance, are you all energized now? So it's time for the audience to become the performers. Are you all ready? A little bit louder.
I can't hear you. Are you all ready?
Yeah. So we have Sushma entertaining us tonight.
Before that, we have an announcement. The food is about to come in few minutes. And also it is like we have the last few performances also coming up. So everyone stay tuned for the next performances as well.
Thank you. So
Of course, a
now,
full meal is coming like with a full menu of chapati, pulao, sweets and everything. Yeah, please don't go anywhere. Yeah.
okay, so with food arriving, and I see your Josh high with the recent performance. So with this, let's tickle our minds a little bit. Are you all ready to perform along with me? Yeah? Are you high on Josh? Okay, then let's tickle our minds with some God-related questions. So I am going to tell you the God or Vahana. You should tell the opposite of it. Like I tell the Vahana and you should tell the God, or I'll tell the God and you should tell the Vahana. Yeah? And I'd like all the kids to be part of this program. I would like parents to help the kids out so they gain the knowledge along with you. Yeah? Okay, shall we start? Yeah? Yay! Okay. So, easy one to start with. Nandi. Which god? Lord Shiva. Yeah. Okay, now, I see, I'll divide this group into two. Yeah? Left side, right side. Okay? Left side, right side. Yeah, can you hear me? Left side people, raise your hands. Okay. Left side. I can't hear you. People in the middle, you can choose where you want to be. Yeah? Left means my left. Okay, my left. Can I hear some noise from you? Raise your hands. Whoa, good. Okay, my right. Are you all there or are you sleepy? No, I can't hear anything from right. I can't hear anything. Are you all existing? Yay! Right side. More. I don't. Yeah, I can't see right side. They don't exist. If you exist, then then shout. Woo! Okay,
ladies,
I can
come
hear
on,
now.
show your
Now
power.
let's see left side. Super. Okay. Okay. Now, starting with the first question, I'll ask, and whoever shouts the louder, points goes to them. Okay? Shout.
No, not the answer.
Shout.
No, whoever shouts
should
louder
shout an
will give you
answer.
the chance.
So we have two people left. We have two people right. Okay, or either ways. So they'll decide who's getting the points. Okay, are we ready?
इज्जत रख लो.
Okay.
इज्जत रख लो.
Right is ready. Left is ready. Super. Can we have a...
I think the Josh is more on left side only.
No, right side people, come on. You yes.
At the back. At the back. Can we hear some noise from you at the back?
People sitting on the stairs, you can also participate. Come on.
Food is on the way. You can waste your energy. It's okay. Okay, to start with the question. Vahana is Garuda.
Vishnu.
Yeah, we got the answer from the right
The
side.
point is for right side.
No, whoever
Woo!
shouts.
Right.
Whoever shouts.
The point is for right side. I changed my team
All
now.
shouts to right. So, right
from
wins
now-
one, right wins one, and left 0.
From now on,
No.
we'll make it equal. First, don't shout your answers. Just shout, and then we'll give you the mic to tell the answer.
Okay.
First shout.
No, that's exactly how you should do.
Yeah, more louder, they will get the chance to tell the answer.
They'll get the
Okay, next one. Vahana is...
Hey, no.
I didn't ask the question.
We are not giving you
Disqualified.
chance. We are not giving you chance. You are disqualified for this round. Okay.
Okay, still. Okay. Vahana is swan.
Okay, okay. This time I'll give you.
Saraswati.
The point goes to left side.
1-1.
One each,
Right
guys.
side. More energy required. People at the back.
Yes, yes. Thank
Now,
you.
people at the back will answer.
Huh. We'll make you a separate team now. You have to participate.
Okay, shall we go to next question?
Backbenchers are supposed to be
More
backbenchers,
active.
right? So you have to participate now. Come on.
Next question. Ma Durga.
Okay, okay.
Simba. Simba.
No.
We are shouting louder. Okay, we have 2 and 1 here.
2 and 1.
Come on,
I
everyone.
think ladies over there need a mic to shout more. So I'm going here for next question. See, I'm supporting you now because you guys were shouting. I saw. Yes. Okay, next
The next
question, please.
question.
Next question. Now the points or score is 2 and 1. Next question. Lord Kartikeya.
Peacock, 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 peacock.
Navilu. No. We shouted.
No, they shouted
Peacock.
first. It's 2 and 2.
Peacock.
Hey, you did not shout. You gave the answer.
Peacock. Navilu,
Okay.
you should not tell the answer. You should shout loud. We
no.
shouted.
Okay. Each will make sound of the peacock will get a gift. Who can make a sound of a peacock? Superb.
Okay, we'll give you points for that.
Okay.
You get an extra point.
Okay, it is 3 and 1.
Yeah.
Come on.
It's 3 and 1. Okay. Now make
Okay.
your best efforts because we could not hear you
okay,
standing
see,
here.
to keep
you
you
are
all
ladies.
engaged.
You can shout.
Okay, come over. Come
Shout.
over. Come front. We want to hear you more. Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, next question. No. Now the rules were set and you shouted before.
We can't
So-
consider this, yeah.
Yeah.
Rules are
No,
rules.
no, we'll follow the rules. Don't worry, don't worry.
Priyanka ji, you are here. No.
Somehow Priyanka ji is changing the partnership every now and then. So she's not here. So always husband and wife are opposite sides, no? He is there, she is here.
Okay. So be careful. You're not shouting before I ask the question. So the question is, Lord Indra.
Aivatara. Aivatara.
We'll see who gives the correct answer. Airavata. They gave the correct answer. Okay, Jane,
What is the answer? They told the answer.
I think it's a draw this time. It's a draw this time. No,
Okay,
just
but it is
this time. So the score is 4.
Okay. Okay, we'll give them the mic.
Aruna ji. Let's be generous.
Okay, next
Okay,
time
this
if it is a
time-
draw, then
time
the
it's a
question
draw.
goes in Sanskrit and you have to answer it in Sanskrit. Okay?
Okay.
If next time it is a draw. Fine, I'm here.
Just an announcement. I found an iPhone 10, I think.
Oh, that's
So
mine then.
please collect whoever is this.
Whose is this?
I can give this to
We need
registration
your ID
desk.
proof. We'll check your ID proof.
This will be there with registration desk. You can take from them.
Okay.
Okay, I found the owner now.
How many of
Shall
us
I ask the
understand?
question? Because it was a draw.
Yeah. So how many of us understand Sanskrit? Bapre. How about
We have
the
no
right-hand
number
side?
now. Right Right team, how many of you understand Sanskrit?
Okay.
Little
So the
bit.
question goes.
Okay, okay.
Chalega? Raise your hands. No, how many of you understand Sanskrit? Little bit also
Okay.
goes a long way.
Okay.
We have too many hands. No?
So now,
Okay,
your
nice.
team
We have
points
there
are
also.
dependent on these knowledgeable Sanskrit people. Because the question is asked in Sanskrit to break the draw.
Okay, fine. Indrasya patnyah naam kim? Indrasya patnyah naam kim? Eins, zwei, traya, chatura. Indrasya patnyah naam kim? Indrasya patnyah. Patni, patnah.
Nice answer.
Mrs. Indra.
Okay,
Nice
one
answer.
answer was Mrs. Indra.
Indrasya patnyah naam kim? Okay,
I translated for you guys.
They don't know
Okay,
that.
what is the name of Indra's wife? No googling, please. Shachi. Shachi.
They
I
said
said.
first.
Okay.
Nahi, nahi, nahi.
Oh, that's very good. Okay.
No, no.
So the point goes to them.
Point goes to them. Yes,
Point
yes,
goes
yes.
to right side. Indra doesn't work. It is Shachi that works. So the point goes to them.
No, 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 no.
No, no, they did not. I was watching.
Nahi, only two is there.
Okay. Next.
Okay. So, thank you so much for being such a sport audience.
Thank you.
Gift
Thank
is
you
coming
all.
on the way.
Draw.
Now we can
Prasadam.
feel your energy. Food is coming. So thank you so much for being such a sport of audience. A big round of applause for yourself.